So today we're going to talk about the value of an app. Is the value of software or an app going to zero? So I woke up this morning to practice working on my videos, and I wanted a teleprompter app that I can read from while I'm walking and recording with the DJI Pocket, and I realized everything was subscription-based. And the last thing I want is another subscription. So I said, how long would it take me to write this piece of software? Well, I needed a little bit of technical knowledge in the architecture, but at first I asked the bot for a list of all the apps out there, and I had them make a list of available iPhone apps and extract the key features. Then I asked them to turn that into a project requirements document specifically for programming bots, and I created an Xcode project. And then I had Cursor write the code, because as we know, Apple's AI is really a piece of junk. Where did they go off the rails on that one? Now, with a little bit of back and forth, and pipe coaching, as I like to call it, I had a prototype in about 30 minutes. It took me about another hour and a half to kind of make something that I was happy with. But I did all this while I was packing up returns for various Christmas gifts. But it had the key feature which I wanted, which was voice track. And yes, I used Whisper. Again, the value of software is not the software itself, it's the marketing. But the development friction is definitely going away. Now, it'd be lazy of me to leave it as the value of software is quickly running to zero. But let's talk about what the value of software of an app really is. Well, the first thing, as I mentioned, it's really marketing. Are people going to find it and engage with it? And the next one, does it actually work? And the third one, is it providing any value to the consumer? I like to think of these 3 points as, number one, reach, then function, then value. So reach, what is that? It's, can you reach the consumers either through marketing directly to them or having your app be prominently displayed in a marketplace? This is why influencer marketing is so big right now, because that's how people are consuming media, directly through social media and influencers. The next one is function. Does the product do what it says? Is it bait and switch? I am constantly falling for this. I try to stay off the social media apps, and when I do, I always seem to get me with, oh wow, these are the shoes I need because they have good arch support and they don't make me look like I'm leaning too hard into dadcore. Then I get them. They're ugly. They don't work. They're from some weird company that's registered in Wyoming. And yeah. Then the last one is value. Does the app actually provide value to the users? Will they use it again? I use it sticky. So yes, software development time is going away, but that's not really what it's about. It's about ideas and about how you market those ideas and how you interact with consumers and the value you provide them. So today I made an app called Voice Prompter. I've open sourced it and I've put it on GitHub. You'll find the links in the description. I put it out on the App Store. It's test flight right now. It'll take a few days before it actually gets published. But it shows you the journey that you can't think about software anymore in development costs. You have to think about the whole life cycle and really what that means, to what you're doing with consumers. Not that this is a new lesson, but it really is changing the game.